Hey, this is Don, and we're up on top of a roof of a restroom trailer with another spring maintenance tip. So getting the trailer out of storage, if it's been outside all winter, you're going to want to get up on the roof and check to make sure that your caulking and your seams are all sealed and everything's still in good condition. Be careful getting up on the roof by yourself, so don't do it alone. I am a professional. So a couple of things that you want to take a look at. You want to take a look at your vent stack first. You just want to make sure that the caulking is in good condition. If it's not, if it starts to deteriorate, and it will over time, that you want to remove it, clean it with some denatured alcohol, and then reapply some good hybrid sealant on there. As well as you want to take a look at your tape and your corner caulk. You want to make sure that those are all still in good condition. If the tape starts to deteriorate over a period of time, if you're exposed to a lot of snow, a lot of sunlight, you may want to clean it up with some denatured alcohol. If it starts to crack in any spot, you want to clean that area and then apply a hybrid sealant as well. So while you're up on the roof, you want to go ahead and take a look at your AC unit. You want to make sure your shroud is in still good condition, that it's attached. You got bolts on the side that you want to double check and make sure that they're still there, and that there's no cracks or debris that has gotten into the unit during the winter. So for more spring maintenance tips, be sure to check back on our YouTube channel.